Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
And initially it was difficult to find a science film. Today there are many it would be showcased to you. And I'm sure your inquisitiveness, all my young friends who are here, will be part of this entire thing to learn something from it. And maybe down the line, maybe as the speakers have said, various speakers have said, you will come out with something more. And that is what we are all here.
Science has enriched our life in a very great way, right from agriculture to space exploration. We are all indebted to science.
I think this is a unique opportunity for students in Goa to stretch their minds, to be innovative. As Sri Jyoti Kumari has said, that science touches every single element, every single human being in our universe 24 hours a day.
Through the Scientific Film Festival of India, we hope to showcase the best of science filmmaking from around and provide a platform for filmmakers and scientists to collaborate and exchange ideas.